you are new on my channel, don't forget to smash the like button. And in all our videos about MySqL, how to use MySqL with Express, we have learned how to input user, update user, and grab user for the database. And the remaining part to build a CRUD application is how to delete data from the database. So that is what we'll be doing today. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to do that, so let me comment this out again. So I think this is the last part of our video. So that is how to update a user. So if you haven't watched it, my link in the below, to watch the video. And so to do that, right here at the top, so let me delete. So app.delete, so the method is delete, so app.delete. So our route is user / delete. So, and we'll be taking in an ID of the data we want to delete. It might be a user, it might be a data for maybe shop, like jewelries, maybe clothes. So maybe you update some data into your database, and so you can do that. So if error, so console.log error, so, and if successful, so console.log so sorry, I don't want to console this out. So res.send, so res.json, so message, so I want to pass in a message. I'm sorry, database altered, so database altered, so, and data, so I want to pass in the data as the result. So right here, so we're getting a response.json, so database altered and data as a result. So we are going to the route. Let's dive in by querying the route right here. So the route is user /user /delete, and let me grab it right here. our server is restarting right there. So I think the server have restarted successfully, so let's send the request again. Now I think we are getting data message, database altered, and the data, and that is it. So let's go back to the database and check. Maybe ID of 2 will say system after reload. So update, and you can see now the user have been deleted. So that is it. And let's go back again and try with the ID of 1. Sorry. So no, let's try with the ID of 4 and send again, and go back and reload. So now it remains user with the ID of 1 and 3. So that is how to delete data from the database. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. So in our next video, we'll be moving to how to connect MongoDB to your database. So look forward to it. If you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Stay put.